What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna do two big plaits, cause child, it's raining outside and it doesn't look like it's gonna let up, love. And I don't really feel like doing my hair, so we're just gonna do two braids and call it a day. Okay. Cause we're on flood watch. What's the purpose of doing my hair? We are on flood watch. None. Okay. And if I need to go anywhere, I doubt people will care how I look. Because like I said, we on flood watch. Okay, so I'm going to start with a scrunchie. Because these are very lightweight on my hair. I don't really care what color I'm using. One, two, three. It's been raining all day, like nonstop. And I am just going to braid, 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 braid. Very, very lightly, very, very gently. It's so funny, when my mama braids, she can get all the way down to the end to where I won't need a rubber band. Me, I can't do that, so we are gonna use scrunchies, and I'm okay with that. Just gonna make sure it's nice and taut, and bam. I actually like blow dried hair. I used to always be discouraged about, you know, working with blow dried hair. But I actually like it. My hair feels really, really soft. And I'm messing with it. There are a lot of different styles you can try. You can do like wand curls. You can do like, you can just wear your hair out blow dried if that's your look. You can do some bantu knots. That'll be cute. And this way, when I do take my hair down, it'll be nice and coy and crinkly, you know. And I can do like probably like a half up, half down look. I did that for my date the other day and it was really cute. So yeah, the styles are endless. Just some light braids. Bam. Okay. good. My hair is nice, on my face, moisturized, all that jazz. And this could really be a style. You could put a cute little hat on. You could do your edges if you want to. You could really do a lot. Do y'all hear that? Rain is getting heavy again. But yeah, it's getting heavy. But to lay my hair down, I'm gonna tie it up with a scarf. Cause you know I will be right here. Be right here. We are under flood watch. LA is not built for the rain. And yeah, we're under flood watch. So yeah, there's that. I don't want to use any gel or anything in my hair, so I'm just gonna use this scarf to lay my hair down. Bam. Yeah. And like I said, this is gonna be my look for the next couple of days, because I mean there's really nothing to really do besides be in the house, because like I said, we're on flood watch. But yeah. And then at night, of course, to protect my ends, I put the bonnet on. Put the bonnet on at night to protect my hair. And yeah, that's it. That is all. That is all. Y'all stay safe out here, especially if you live in California. Drink your water. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.